Avoidants are the #1 monkey branchers, and let me tell you also why. It's not because they are heartless, it's because they are emotionally unequipped. I'm Coach Goldman, your relationship and breakup coach. In today's session, we're going to have a psychological breakdown of why avoidants are the #1 monkey branchers. The first thing that you got to know is the core fear of avoidance, fear of engulfment, and fear of intimacy. They crave connection, but fear vulnerability. And when they monkey branch, it's they have the connection without a lot of vulnerability. Because to get into something new that quick doesn't take a lot of vulnerability. You just need to you just need to do it, because at the beginning there is a lot of infatuation, a lot of very high, quote unquote, high emotions, the dopamine, the serotonin, all that good chemicals that the body produces when we meet someone new. So there is a lot of connection, but very little vulnerability. Now, when things get too close, they detach. Then they detach. But being alone, terrifying. So they pre-attach to a new person for comfort, not depth. When it gets with you, when things get too close with you, they detach. Then when they jump into somebody else, it's terrifying them. So they pre-attach to a new person for comfort, not depth. Now, it's not about love, it's about control and emotional escape. I will repeat for the sake of emphasis. It's not about love, it's about control and emotional escape. They are so emotionally weak and decapacitated that they have to have some kind of emotional escape. They cannot deal with their own emotions. It's very, very hard for them to actually contain their own emotions. And they say, fuck it. I'm just going to jump to someone else and forget all of my problems. And when you start dating someone new, it's easy to feel these feel good emotions and chemicals and not feel the pain from actually breaking up. It's hard. Breaking up, it's hard. It's very hard, you guys. It tears up your heart. I know. We've all been there. You're in this right now. This is why you're watching. So to heal, it takes a lot of emotional maturity. Avoidants don't have this emotional maturity. This is why never even entertain the idea of taking it back. It's fucking ridiculous. Now, avoidant emotional logic. Relationship feels too much, pull away. Then they feel guilty and overwhelmed. Then they emotionally check out. Don't process the breakup emotions fully. Latch onto someone easier or more surface level. They always go for the low hanging fruit. The first person who says yes to them, they're like, oh, okay, okay. You. Usually it's co-workers and things like that. I see it so many times. Now, new person distraction, not solution. They tell themselves this one will be different. I need someone who doesn't pressure me, or the last person was too emotional. These are just protective stories. It's protective story. This one will be different. No, the grass is greener on the other side. No, the grass is greener where you water it, motherfucker. You need to water the grass where you are. People who think that the grass is greener on the other side are in for a very rude awakening. I need someone who doesn't pressure me. Of course, at the beginning they will not pressure you. You just wait. They will get there. Everybody gets there. It's just the nature of the evolution of a relationship. Now, the last person was too emotional. Yeah, they had feelings which you lack the capacity of actually feeling your emotions to the fullest. But hey, this is what it is. This is the avoidance cycle. At first, excitement and control with the new person. Eventually, same issue arise because they never faced their real emotional work. They didn't do it. Many bounce from one partner to a new partner, never truly connecting. Never truly connecting. They're not moving forward. They're running sideways. They're running in circles. It wasn't about it wasn't about being you not being enough. Their monkey branching is about emotional avoidance, not attraction. Even if it seems they seem happy now, if they haven't done the work, and let me tell you, they haven't done the work, it's never sustainable. Focus on healing your attachment, not chasing someone who cannot attach. I'm going to repeat it for the sake of emphasis. Focus on your own healing, on your own attachment, not chasing someone who can't attach. Avoidance monkey branch because they are not because they're heartless, but because they are emotionally unequipped. You, my friend, right now need to take care of yourself. You have to take care of yourself. There is no doubt about it that you've been affected by this train wreck. You got to take the time. You got to put the work, put the love on yourself. If you need help, you can get the Rise of the Phoenix, my online healing coaching program, or talk to me one on one. We can create a blueprint for healing for you. Many people want to go back with their avoidant ex who monkey branch. It doesn't make any sense. And I know that if you're watching this, you're not that kind of person that will go back to your avoidant ex who monkey branch. But still, if you need this push, we got you. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below or email them to me so I can provide even better videos for you guys. I'm sending you so much love and healing, and I will see you again in the next one.